Other two, let's go over these real quick too. The last two, you know what PMA stands for? PMA, all these big terms throwing out at you guys. PMA, what could it be? What keeps you going every day? Is it your phone saying get up and do something? You gotta get to work? What else caused you to keep motivated so you can actually keep doing what you have to do? Some people say PMS, no, it's not PMS. No, I thought we were thinking that. How about positive mental attitude? It's like a coaching thing or a motivational thing or something. Okay? That's what it comes down to. You have enough hope in here, that's why you're here, and we're going to help you to help improve that stress state to relaxed state so you maintain that motivation to stay healthy. We want to give you the tools to get there, maintain those tools, that when your loop is going to be, when I'm stressed, I stretch, I work out, I ice.